Friends, do you ever remember that night when the pain became so intense that it felt like someone was slicing into the bone inside your knee with a knife? That grinding, cracking sound coming from your knees as if the bones were crashing into each other and threatening to break? And that burning sensation that lasts all day, rising from the bones and mixing into your blood until you feel like screaming and saying, "Enough, I can't take this anymore." Is all of this really just a calcium deficiency problem? Or is there something far more dangerous hiding inside you, quietly turning your bones into dry, brittle wood overnight? Think about it. What if this pain is not just punishment for aging, but a silent killer inside your body, poisoning your bones day and night, hollowing them out from within? Today, I'm going to expose a terrifying truth, a truth that will force you to ask yourself why you allowed your body to slowly break down for so many years. What if rubbing oil on your knees and swallowing painkillers has only been an illusion? What if the real poison is coming from a broken internal body clock that is weakening you with every single breath you take? Today I'm going to reveal a shocking secret. After hearing it, you will never take your pain lightly again. Has it ever happened that while walking home from the market, your knees suddenly gave up? The pain was so severe that you had to sit right there on the road. You felt people staring at you, and in that moment it felt like your life had stopped. And even at night while trying to sleep, that sharp pain kept waking you up again and again, as if someone were quietly breaking your bones in the dark. If this pain breathes with you at night, if that cracking sound echoes in your ears telling you that time is running out, then your heart is already screaming that staying silent is self-destruction. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. Because the biggest lie we are all living with is this: it's just old age. But the real killer is hiding much deeper, silently, constantly pushing you closer to disability and an early decline. You think that taking a calcium tablet in the morning and massaging oil on your knees at night is enough? But in reality, this is nothing more than wasting your time and money. The real problem is not calcium deficiency. The real problem is your biological body clock, which has completely fallen out of balance. Your body runs on an internal clock that decides what it needs in the morning, what it needs in the afternoon, and what it needs at night. When you give the wrong thing at the wrong time, it stops being medicine and turns into poison. Most people lose this battle for exactly this reason. They consume repair-focused foods in the morning and energy-focused foods at night. Today, I'm not giving you a quick remedy. I'm giving you a complete system to reset your body clock. Just 4 simple household ingredients, used at the right time, in the right way. If you follow this, even at the age of 70, your bones and joints can become as strong as iron, and you can move with the speed and confidence of a tiger. But this is only the beginning. The real secret is still ahead. Think about this. When you hold a dry piece of wood in your hand and try to break it, it snaps instantly because there is no moisture left inside. In the same way, when the body is young, it is flexible and soft like a green branch. But as we age, the internal moisture of the body begins to dry up. Lubrication disappears. The cracking knees, heel pain, and joint stiffness are not diseases. They are your body screaming that everything inside is drying out. You can apply as much oil as you want from the outside, but the dryness will not go away, because pouring oil on dry wood does not make it green again. Water must be supplied at the roots. I will walk you through a full-day routine, 4 steps, 4 simple ingredients. If you follow them, aging will come, yes, but it will touch you and pass right by. You will not feel constant fatigue, pain, or weakness. Let's start with the morning. After sleeping 7 to 8 hours, your body is in a fasting state. Your joints haven't moved for hours, so stiffness builds up. The synovial fluid between the joints becomes thick, which is why walking after waking up feels difficult. This is not the time to take a calcium pill. In the morning, your joints need lubrication. They need natural grease so they can move smoothly. Nature has given a special gift for this: walnuts. You might say, but I already eat walnuts and I still have pain. The issue is not eating them, it's how you eat them. Chewing dry walnuts straight from a container is wrong. They are warming in nature and heavy to digest. The correct method is this. Every night before going to bed, take a bowl of water and soak 2 walnut kernels in it. If you want, you can add 4 or 5 raisins for taste. Soaking overnight removes their excess heat, activates enzymes, and makes them easy to digest. In the morning, after brushing your teeth, or along with breakfast, chew these soaked walnuts slowly and thoroughly. Look at the shape of a walnut. It looks exactly like a brain. But it's not just for the brain. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is a natural pain reliever. It reduces inflammation and blocks the compounds that cause pain inside the joints. When you eat soaked walnuts in the morning, they work like oil inside your joints. The cracking in your knees, elbows, and spine slowly starts to disappear because the machine is finally getting the lubrication it needs. Morning done. Your joints are lubricated. Now the day moves forward. We go to work, do household tasks, and the afternoon arrives. Between 12 and 2 in the afternoon, Ayurveda calls this the Pitta time. Digestive fire is at its strongest, and the body can handle even heavy foods. This is the perfect time to strengthen your bones and turn them into steel. Bones do not stand alone. Muscles hold them together. In old age, the real issue is not bones weakening, but muscles becoming loose, causing the entire structure to shake. In the afternoon, your body needs protein and fresh blood. For this, you combine 2 lentils, black gram lentils and red lentils. In Ayurveda, black gram is considered muscle building. It works like cement that holds bones together. Red lentils contain iron and phosphorus, which strengthen nerves and help produce fresh blood. Together, they become a powerhouse. To prepare them, mix half a cup of black gram lentils with half a cup of red lentils and cook them like a normal lentil dish. Black gram can be heavy and cause gas, so add ginger and garlic. The red lentils balance it out, preventing gas and actually pulling pain out of the body. Include this mixed lentil dish in lunch at least 3 to 4 times a week with rice or bread. It provides a strength that even expensive protein shakes fail to deliver. Afternoon done. Your bones are strengthened. Now comes the evening, around 4:30 to 5 p.m. This is where most people make their biggest mistake. You feel slight hunger and fatigue, so you drink tea and eat cookies or salty snacks. This habit is the biggest enemy of your bones. Tea and refined sugar strip calcium from your bones. At this time, your nerves need to be calm and your joints need protection from drying out. The best thing for this is dry coconut or fresh coconut. When you feel hungry in the evening, instead of cookies, take a 1-inch piece of dry coconut. Put it in your mouth and chew slowly until it releases milk or oil, then swallow it. It contains healthy fats and MCTs that do not get stored as fat, but lubricate ligaments and tendons, making them strong. Eating coconut in the evening removes dryness from the body. Skin, hair, and hormones all begin to improve. Now comes the most dangerous time of the day, night. You eat dinner, lie down, and suddenly sharp pain starts in your knee, lower back, or shoulder, stealing your sleep. You change positions, adjust your pillow, but the pain remains. Why? Because the inflammation built up during the day is still circulating in your body. Inflammation is at its peak, and your bones are screaming. Most people make another mistake here. They eat heavy or late dinners, or they swallow painkillers. Painkillers only suppress pain. They do not eliminate inflammation. The next morning, the pain returns, and slowly this inflammation eats your bones from the inside. Now listen carefully to the final nighttime weapon that destroys inflammation at the root. 30 minutes before bed, take a small glass of warm milk, add 2 pinches of turmeric powder and 1 pinch of black pepper. Mix well and sip slowly. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds in the world, but curcumin alone does not absorb well. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Together, they enter your bloodstream, extinguish inflammation, and put your body into repair mode throughout the night. When you wake up in the morning, your body feels lighter and refreshed, and your joints feel smooth. These 4 steps work individually, but when followed in the correct order throughout the day, they form a complete system. But here is the real explosion. These 4 things alone work only 30 to 40%. The remaining 60% of power comes when you stop making a few small mistakes you make every single day. Mistakes no one ever warned you about. Get ready. The first enemy lives right inside your home. Cold water. Yes, you wake up and drink cold water from the refrigerator. You drink cold water right after meals, thinking water is healthy, but cold water is poison for your joints. Drink 2 glasses of warm water first thing in the morning. Drink warm water 30 minutes after meals. Drink warm water before bed. This small change will double the power of everything you eat. The second enemy is late night eating. If you eat dinner after 9 or 10 p.m. or work night shifts, the damage increases. Ideally, dinner should be finished within 2 to 3 hours after sunset. The third enemy no one talks about is poor posture. Sitting hunched over, bending your neck while using your phone, or sinking into the couch. Every hour, stand up for 5 minutes. Stand straight, pull your shoulders back, and take deep breaths. Sit upright while eating as well. The fourth enemy is excessive salt and sugar, extra salt in lentils, 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar in tea, reduce salt, replace sugar with jaggery or honey. The fifth and most dangerous enemy is stress. You go to sleep with worries. Office pressure, family stress. Stress increases cortisol, which weakens bones from the inside. If you have decided today to stop these 5 mistakes, write "ready" in the comments. That one word tells me you are among the chosen warriors rebuilding their bones like iron. Now pause and imagine this. Waking up with the sunrise, standing in sunlight and eating soaked walnuts, eating cooked mixed lentils at lunch, chewing coconut in the evening, drinking turmeric milk at night, massaging your feet with coconut oil, and sleeping with gratitude. What will this do? In 40 to 60 days, your body will be rebuilt from the inside. Bones stronger than iron. Joints so smooth they make no sound. Legs powerful enough to climb mountains. A face, hair, and skin so youthful that people will be shocked when they ask your age. Even at 80, you will run like a tiger, fly upstairs, and aging itself will feel embarrassed touching you. Friends, if something is igniting inside you right now, if your blood is screaming that victory will be yours, like this video from your heart. Share it with everyone you love who is suffering in pain, because this information saves lives. Subscribe to Be Healthy Talks right now. Turn on all notifications because every new video will open a new door to your health and light a new fire. May God grant you iron-strong health, limitless strength, and a long, happy life. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, love your bones and take care.